Long-distance communication in India was an arduous process before independence. One had to either write a letter or send telegram in case of urgency to communicate with each other. One company changed all this when it became the first to produce telephones for the country. That company is ITI Limited, earlier known as Indian Telephone Industries Limited. India's independence saw some unprecedented changes and development in the industrial sector. Indian Telephone Industries Limited was one such huge initiative. ITI was started as a telecom industry pioneer to bring about a change in the lives of people of the country by putting the world at their fingertips. ITI is India's first central public sector unit post-independence that produced the first telephones for the country. 7 decades on, it has not only done this with dedication, but with right vision, it has created a bold footprint in the industry and on the growth of an entire nation.
ITI only brought the telephony to India. Later on, it has emerged as a major telecom manufacturer. Apart from the manufacturing units, ITI has got network system unit which takes care of the installation, commissioning and turnkey projects. The company has got in 6 locations the latest world-class facilities, manufacturing a spectrum of products from switching, transmission, access products and several telecom equipments. Apart from that, in ITI Bangalore, we have an R&D unit which caters to the secrecy equipments mainly for the services.
Today, India's telecommunication network is the second largest in the world, and ITI has contributed to more than 50% of the landline network. As the largest manufacturer of telecom products and total solution provider in telecom and IT space in the country.
ITI started doing very well for the past 3 years. This was possible by upgrading the infrastructure in all the plants of ITI so that we will be in a position to manufacture and supply any electronic assembly to meet the current requirement.
ITI has 6 major manufacturing plants spread across India from Jammu and Kashmir to Kerala. In addition to Bengaluru, these plants are located in Palakkad, Srinagar, Naini, Raebareli and Mankapur. In addition to manufacturing units, ITI has non-production units like Network System Units, NSU, with core strength in turnkey project execution and annual maintenance works, and Marketing Division with 8 regional offices and area offices spread across the country. It was in 1948 that the company began this journey from Bangalore to design, manufacture and supply telecommunications equipment. Bangalore unit was the first and mother manufacturing plant of ITI. Today, with its state-of-the-art infrastructure, ITI manufactures a complete range of telecom products that includes access, switching, transmission and terminal equipments. With the incredible growth of technology usage in the recent years, ITI moved from fixed lines to wireless technologies. The company has supplied state-of-the-art equipment like GSM, New Generation Switching Network, DWDM, IPMPLS, MLLN, SSTP to the state-run service providers BSNL and MTNL.
ITI Limited Bangalore plant has been moving with the technologies in all the fields. Currently, we are manufacturing electronic exchanges. Initially, the electronic exchanges were made by our own R&D design. Later, we adopted the technologies given by CDOT. Current range of encryption products includes our TESD, that is Terminal and Secrecy Devices, ACSD, that is System and Secrecy Devices, then IP encryptors, Flexi encryptors.
ITI as a company looks for ways to make technology more accessible and user-friendly. This is one of the prime reasons that today the company manufactures mini PC at its Palakkad plant. The plant is also engaged in the manufacturing of smart cards and has supplied a significant amount of SIM cards and national identity cards, in addition to switching and signaling equipment.
A full-fledged smart card manufacturing facility had been set up in the unit with level 4 security, and using this we had already supplied 35 million SIM cards and 2 million national identity cards.
Managed lease line network is also one of the prime products being churned out from here. Palakkad plant also manufactures printed circuit boards or PCBs, and that caters to the captive as well as external market requirements. Today, the plant has established component screening facilities to test precision components required by Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. ITI has also contributed to India taking a giant leap as a global space power by manufacturing electronic assembly for one of the prestigious missions of ISRO, GSLV Mark III. Presently, it is collaborating with Vikram Sarabhai Space Center for manufacturing of its space products. The country also saw the dawn of a new era of indigenous mobile equipment production thanks to ITI. Its Rai Bareilly plant along with its Mankapur plant is where these mobile equipment manufacturing facilities can be found. GSM, SMPS are some of the erstwhile products that came out of the Rai Bareilly plant. The plant is still supplying SMPS.
ITI Rai Bareilly is ready to produce HDP pipe and optical fiber cable in our new plant. Under CSR activity and monetization, ITI Rai Bareilly is playing a key role in setting up institute of national importance in our campus.
From high-density pipes to fiber optic cables to optical network, the company boasts of producing products catering to the booming telecom industry. GPON, OFC, HDPE are being manufactured and supplied to BharatNet project as well.
ITI has successfully completed the BharatNet Phase 1 project, and as a Phase 2 project is going to come, ITI is poised to take the lion's share and fulfill the government's requirement of around 1.5 lakh gram panchayats.
This indigenous project of Government of India has been set up for establishment, management and operation of National Optical Fiber Network to provide broadband connectivity to all gram panchayats in the country, covering nearly 625,000 villages.
In the process, we also managed to turn around ITI, an organization that had lost its belief in itself. Given its long history of being in the red, that is the kind of outcomes effective collaboration can help to deliver.
National Optic Fiber Network uses Gigabit Passive Optical Network or GPON technology, which is being supplied by ITI. The Rai Bareilly plant was set up in 1973, whereas Mankapur plant came up in 1983. The Mankapur plant was mainly established to manufacture the nation's first electronic switching system, commonly known as a telephone exchange.
Mankapur plant is key manufacturer of C-dot exchanges. It has supplied 1.5 million line of C-dot exchanges to BSNL. Later on in year 2005, it started manufacturing BTS equipments and supplied it to BSNL.
At its Mankapur plant, the company has built up infrastructure to further its diversification efforts like manufacturing energy-efficient LED lighting products, among other things. Earlier switching equipment, GSM, banking equipment like note counting machine all came out of Mankapur plant. It is a highly productive plant with modern facilities that also manufactures optical network terminal, or what is better known as a modem. To manufacture transmission equipments, ITI Naini plant was set up in 1971 with offering of major products such as optic fiber systems of both PDH and SDH and telephone instruments of various types.
Keeping in view the current government policies of Make in India, Digital India programs, we are already setting up our solar power plant manufacture. Then we are also entering into disaster recovery site of data center activities, and we are hoping for a bright future.
To consolidate and strengthen the telecom business, ITI manufactures solar panels for powering wireless towers and other utilities. It has set up facility to manufacture 18 megawatt solar modules. Srinagar plant was established in the year 1969, mainly as an ancillary to the Bangalore unit to supply component parts to the main plant. It has since upgraded to a manufacturing plant. Providing products that offers a secure communication network to defense forces is the company's key strength. Encryption products are the forte of ITI's R&D, and ITI has been manufacturing, supplying and maintaining these products for last 5 decades for the Indian Army. ITI has executed prestigious project of ASCON for Army in the borders of India. The Army Static Switch Communications Network project is the country's prestigious Army backbone communication telecom network implemented in phases along the borders. After successfully deploying the first 3 phases, ITI expects to accomplish the phase 4 of ASCON as well. Leading not just by quantity but delivering world-class quality, the company has set new benchmarks in the industry. As a part of Digital India mission, ITI has launched initiatives like Tag ITI Wallet, a digital mobile wallet that can be used for cashless transactions and online payments. ITI also provides Aadhaar-based authentication services to various central and state government agencies. In the current changing scenario, company has diversified into new business areas like services, data centers, and IoT. These are innovative technologies of the future that are already changing the way we live and work. Under Swachh Bharat mission, ITI has started manufacturing and installing feedback devices at public toilets to regularly monitor and maintain the cleanliness of toilets. ITI also publishes an in-house bi-monthly magazine, Durvani, that aims to communicate effectively with employees and stakeholders of the organization. As a part of corporate social responsibility, ITI has established a special school, Snehalaya, for imparting education for specially able children in the year 1985, and a central school as a premier educational institution in South India in 1999. ITI has been reducing losses year by year and on the way to become a profitable company in the coming days. As far as future of telecommunications is concerned, experts believe that the Indian telecommunication sector is expected to witness fast growth in the next few years. With support from the present government and efforts of the industry, India will achieve a substantial boost in the telecom equipment manufacturing sector, and ITI will take this opportunity to get back the glory of industry. Supported by state-of-the-art facilities, its very own R&D centers, and infrastructure that is computerized and a support system aimed at providing better service to its customers, ITI has indeed come a long way since its inception. But with the industry growing at a pace beyond imagination, some may say that this is just the beginning for ITI.